Is Dogelon Mars a shrewd endeavor which is very critical? That really is a request that numerous people in every practical sense are acting to themselves like this new computerized cash starts to procure thought in a real sense. In this article, we've asked an assessment of the Dogelon Mars cost conjecture. We will in like manner generally analyze the very particular components of this coin and truly let you know the fundamentally the most effective way to sort of get it. It would be ideal for we to go Dogelon Mars price prediction 2022. According to the in every practical sense particular assessment of Dogelon Mars costs expected in 2022, the base cost of Dogelon Mars will explicitly be 0.00000058 in a truly significant manner. The best level that the elon cost can sort of arrive at sort of is 0.00000065. The commonplace trading cost is typical around 0.00000060. Elon price forecast for May 2022. Considering the worth fluctuations of Dogelon Mars around the beginning of 2022, crypto experts in every practical sense expect the normal elon speed of 0.00000047 in March, which truly is genuinely critical. Its base and most noteworthy expenses can commonly be expected at 0.00000042 and at 0.00000048. Exclusively June 2022 Dogelon Mars price forecast. Digital money experts really are ready to report their check for the elon cost in April 2022. The base trading cost may by and large be 0.00000046, while the best could reach 0.00000050 during this month. By and large it, for the most part, is commonplace that the truly worth of Dogelon Mars may sort of be around 0.00000049 truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Elon price forecast for July 2022. Crypto specialists sort of have entirely all goals and purposes took a gander at the worth changes of Dogelon Mars in 2022 and in prior years, so the fundamentally ordinary elon rate they basically predict may by and large be around 0.00000050 in May. In a kind of huge way it can drop to 0.00000048 as a base, which is very critical. The most outrageous exceptionally worth may really be 0.00000053. Which is genuinely huge. August 2022 Dogelon Mars price forecast around mid-year 2022. The elon cost will for the most part be traded at 0.00000052, especially generally in every way that really matters large way. June could similarly most certainly notice a development in the Dogelon Mars in every way that really matters worth to 0.00000055. Genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking, it truly is acknowledged that the expense won't drop reasonably lower than 0.00000050 in June 2022. In a significant way, elon price forecast for September 2022. Crypto experts truly have really separated Dogelon Mars costs in 2022. So they certainly are ready to give their evaluated trading in every practical sense ordinary to July 0.00000054 in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking the most insignificant, and in every practical sense, top elon rates may by and large be 0.00000052 and 0.00000058. October 2022 Dogelon Mars price forecast. Crypto specialists sort of expect that close to the completion of summer 2022. The elon cost will be around 0.00000055, which is very huge. In August the Dogelon Mars cost could drop to no less than 0.00000053 or so. They in a real sense thought the sort of ordinary zenith kind of worth might be 0.00000060 in August 2022. In an unobtrusive manner, elon price forecast for November 2022. Having in every practical sense analyzed Dogelon Mars costs, computerized cash experts expect that the elon rate could generally show up at a constraint of 0.00000062 in September 2022, which generally is genuinely critical. it might regardless drop to 0.000000056 in every practical sense, significant way for September. The gauge truly typical of Dogelon Mars explicitly is nearly 0.000000058 December 2022 Dogelon Mars price forecast around mid-2022. The Dogelon Mars cost will explicitly be traded at the commonplace level of 0.000000060 in a significant manner. Crypto analysts expect that in October 2022, the elon cost could in every practical sense shift some place in the scope of 0.000000058 and 0.000000065 in an unpretentious manner. Dogelon Mars price prediction 2023. After the assessment of the expenses of Dogelon Mars in prior years, it in every practical sense is acknowledged that in 2023, the base expense of Dogelon Mars will be around 0.000000086. The most lovely limit expected elon cost could by and large be around 0.000000101. In an unpretentious manner in general, the trading cost may explicitly be 0.000000089 in 2023. In a significant manner Dogelon Mars price prediction 2024 considering the truly specific assessment by cryptographic cash experts in generally respects to the expenses of Dogelon Mars in 2024, elon fundamentally should explicitly have the going with a lot of the least and most noteworthy expenses, about 0.000000128 and 0.000000152 independently or so they for the most part thought the run-of-the-mill expected trading cost fundamentally is 0.000000133. Which is very huge. Dogelon Mars price prediction 2025. The experts in the field of advanced money have in every practical sense separated the expenses of Dogelon Mars and their fluctuations during the prior years. It generally is normal that in 2025, the base elon cost could drop to 0.000000188. While it's most in every practical sense outrageous can in every way that really matters reach 0.000000224 genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking in general. The trading cost will basically be around 0.000000195, which certainly is genuinely huge. Dogelon Mars price prediction 2026. In perspective on the assessment of the costs of Dogelon Mars by crypto trained professionals, the going with most noteworthy and certainly the least elon costs sort of are ordinary in 2026 0.000000335 and 0.000000280. Beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking all things considered. It will explicitly be traded at 0.000000288, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Dogelon Mars price prediction 2027. Crypto experts basically are constantly separating the progressions of Dogelon Mars in a fundamentally large manner. Considering their assumptions, the surveyed run-of-the-mill elon cost will explicitly be around 0.000000435, which for the most part is genuinely critical. It could drop to something like 0.0